Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your EARFUN Air 2 keep disconnecting. Firstly, it's only for Android devices is to disable dock or enable it. So you need to open EARFUN application, then you need to of course set your earbuds to the app. Scroll down and you need to go to Bluetooth audio quality. So right here, if you have a stable connection, try to swap to the dock to sound quality, and if you have sound quality, try to swap to stable connection. Next step is to disable dual connection, and I will show you it on Android. So, in the main menu, you need to scroll down, go to dual device connection and disable dual connection, because with this mod you may have also connection instability. I recommend it to return to the main menu and check is you have enabled theater mode. Theater mode, it's spatial audio, the same. So just disable, because with spatial audio you may have connection stability also. Next step is to perform a soft reset. So we can finally close the application, put your earbuds to the app, to the case, then close the case, and now your earbuds disconnected from the phone. You can check it in the settings right here. As you can see, not connected. If you have Android, it will move to save devices, meaning the same. After that, you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone, and right here we have connected. If you have Android, it will return to my devices. Now check if the soft reset also didn't help you. We need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to also put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. At the bottom near to USB-C port we have connectional button. You need to press and hold it until the LED light on your earbuds flash purple. So it's something like 8 seconds. Firstly, it starts blinking blue. It's okay, just enter to pairing mode. Here we go. Now you can release your finger. After that, you need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have it, so maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, and we have connection. Now check. Also, I have one more solution for you. Is to reset Bluetooth settings. But once you did it, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Apple device, and then I will move to Android. So, on your iPhone, you need to open Settings. Then, you need to go to the General settings, so maybe you need to scroll down, General, scroll down again. At the bottom, we have Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap at this line and click Reset. Now you need to select Reset Network Settings, because there is no Reset Bluetooth settings on iOS, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. So click on it, write your password, and click Reset Network Settings again. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks. So if it's okay for you, just click at this button. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings, and then we need to go to the System. So scroll down, click at the System, and right here at the bottom, at least on stock Android, we have Reset Options. Tap at this line, and you need to select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Then click Reset. But again, remember that you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!